Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your KneeRover Go. This will also be the same assembly process as the KneeRover Go Hybrid. All right, to assemble your scooter, the only thing you're going to need is this knee pad locking pin and your height adjustment knob. All right, so the first step is to rotate the front axle. In order to do this, you're going to pull down on this pin, and then you're just going to spin the front axle around. So step 2, you're going to fold up the steering column and secure it. In order to do this, you're going to pull over this quick release, like so. Rotate the column upwards, rotate the lever upwards, and then clamp it over. All right, step number 3, we're going to secure this center folding mechanism here. In order to do that, you're going to just simply snap it into place like so. Rotate this lever over and then clamp it down. All right, so step number 4, what we're going to do is install the knee pad. In order to do that, we're just going to drop this knee pad in the post in the hole here. We'll take your knee pad locking pin, put it in at your desired height, and then we're going to secure it on this side. And then we're going to take this quick release clamp here and clamp it over. All right, so step number 5, we're just going to drop the handlebars into the column here. Then you're going to take your height adjustment knob, find your desired height, put it in the hole here and screw it in until it's all the way tightened down. All right, so that concludes the assembly of your KneeRover Go or Go Hybrid. If you have any other questions or comments, concerns, feel free to give us a call, 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.